Morning, this is Fiorella and Carlos from anyhousecleaning.com, and guess what? I have a really good video for you. When you have a pet and he's a puppy, usually they bite the little vertical lines, and sometimes you cannot find the same color, the same one, or you don't have a backup or something like that. So there is a place that I want to recommend you that is called Humanity for Rehome Humanity. I will put the link below. And I bought these vertical blinds. It comes in the package of 50, so you have plenty to have the backup. How many was here? ¿Cuántos habían, Carlos? 25, right?
Yeah.
So this is bigger, and it's good because we have a backup. He's gonna count it again, and I'm gonna look for the place. Is Restore for Humanity.org. That is in many states. You can find that. The problem is that I found that, but the measure, it was 90 inches long, or no inches, foot, or I don't know the measure, 94, and the mine was 82. So Carlos bring one of them, the long one is here, and the old one he put in, and he's gonna mark with a pen. I was about to use this kind of scissor that is especially for carpet, really expensive by the way, $26.78. But I decided to use this paper cutter, and one by one we are cutting. The first one we did it the same way, so I'm just recording really carefully. Okay, put it back. Come on. Good. Yeah, there is a bad boy in this house, huh? And he bite 2 or 3 of them, so I'm replacing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, sigue. So now, because we already have one, we don't have to do the same procedure. We're gonna measure with the remaining, with this. Show Carlos how. So, where's your pen? Okay. So he is measure that, so it will be faster and easier. No blade, but board. So if you want to replace, go to those places. They're brand new. It's Restore, Habitat Restore for Home. I'm gonna put the link. I don't know if you're in your state or in your city they are, but it's a really good place to buy so many things. So we are gonna replace all of them and put a new. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Try to show you something different. Bye. And the top two, so we can measure that. Good. It's looking good so far. He measured the little one on the side. He's gonna cut it. Good. Okay. Put it back carefully. Good. Excellent. Okay, so we are done. Carlos did an excellent job. He's saving 25 vertical lines. It came absolutely gorgeous. brand new. We don't have any problem. So the website, oh no, it's not the website, it's the place where you can find those things is called Humanity, how you call it? Humanity for Home Restore. I'm gonna put the link, okay? Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, doing something that I needed for my house. I hope this helped.